faculty members, non-teaching members, press and media people. Very fine afternoon. Really, I am cherished to perform the 16th annual day meet conducted by Syed Hamida Arts and Science College, Kilakarai, organized by Mohammed Sadak Trust, Chennai. Of course, today is the gala day to our institution. The day is celebrated by everyone who have been the part and parcel of this organization. I prove with empirical facts. The members of the Mohammed Sadak Educational Trust have been benevolent philanthropists to extend their great support for all people who have insatiable quest for education. I can concretely say all the institutions which are run by this trust have unique features in every aspect. I am elated to invite our Honorable Chairman and Correspondent Alhaj S.M. Yusuf, renowned Secretary Janaba S.M. Sarmila Madam, and illustrious Director Janab M. Jawbar Buhari on this auspicious occasion. We are blessed to have a noble people like Dr. K.V.S. Gopalakrishnan IPS, retired, former Special Director, Intelligence Bureau, Government of India, Secretary, PS Institute of Music Arts and Culture, Chennai, and Sri G. Narayanasamy, BSc FCA Senior Partner, Messrs. Venkatraman and Co. Chartered Accountants, Chennai, to have paid their gracious visit to our college to address the students. And I am so happy to welcome you, sir. It is my joy and privilege to welcome the respected members of Mohammed Sadak Trust, special invitees, Sri B.R. and Muthuramalingam, proprietor, Walia Gas Agency, Ramnath, Dr. Mohammed Jahabar, beloved Dean of Mohammed Sadak Engineering College, Kilakarai, distinguished Dr. A. Alauddin, Principal, Mohammed Sadak Polytechnic College, Kilakarai, highly regarded parents, my dream team of teaching and non-teaching members, enthusiastic students, dear reporters and media people to this college day, and I would like to present the annual report of the various activities and achievements of our institutions this year. You can teach a student a lesson for a day, but if you can teach him to learn by creating curiosity, he will continue the learning process as long as he lives. Clay B. Bedford. Our Syed Hamida Arts and Science College was founded in 2000 as a religious minority institution with the sole objective of providing higher education to the underprivileged and socially backward sections of the society in general. The superb philanthropic visions of Alhaj S.M. Ahmad Jalaluddin, Alhaj Dr. S.M. Hamid Abdul Qadir, Alhaj S.M. Kabir, and Alhaj Dr. S.M. Dastakir have been converted into academic helpful mission for the society's effective academic fruition. The college has been approved with 2F and 12B by University Grants Commission and accredited with B grade by NAC. Our vision is to produce highly competent, employable graduates and meritorious postgraduates through continual improvement of the standard of excellence in teaching, training and research. We commit ourselves to providing Arabic, arts, science and computer education to enable students to excel in their pursuit of knowledge and preparation for brilliant and professional career in an optimistic environment that builds character, personality, discipline, decency and decorum in them. We rely on our upgraded faculty, supportive and service staff and expansive infrastructure as the means of realizing this desirable quality. Our goal is to produce administrative and executive personnel who can play effective role in the rapid socio-economic progress at the national and international levels. Curricular aspects. The college offers 4 postgraduate and 11 undergraduate courses. Admission. In spite of the fact that there are numerous colleges in the environs of our area, we have grown strength-wise also. Total strength of this institution is 1,533. This year, we have enrolled 405 male and 238 female students. Therefore, we have given admission to 568 UG students and 75 PG students in the academic year 2015-2016. Our college is functioning with 60 eminent faculty members, which include 5 doctorates, 1 librarian, and 1 dynamic physical director. Apart from the teachers, we have 35 committed non-teaching members at our college. The staff members owe much to the management. We are greatly indebted to all the beloved and munificent members of Muhammad Sadak family and fervently pray for their longevity and prosperity. Teaching learning avenues. I am happy to inform that the various departments of our college have conducted a number of seminars, workshops, and meetings to enhance the knowledge and awareness of the students. The following details reveal the activities of various departments. The Department of Business Administration has conducted a one-day national level seminar on growth and complexities on 1st October 2015 on our campus. Dr. Isal Hamid, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Corporate Secretariat, Bharadas and Government College, Pondicherry, was the chief guest. The Department of Business Administration has organized a workshop on Global Investors Meet 2015 on 7th October 2015. Mrs. P. Mariammal, General Manager, District Industrial Estate, Ramanathapuram was the chief invitee. PG Department of Commerce with the Computer Application has conducted a one-day seminar on financial inclusion on 9th October 2015. Dr. S. Rajendran, Assistant Professor of PG in the Research Department of Commerce, Government Arts College, Paramagudi, was the resource person. The Department of Business Administration has organized a personality development program on attitude development program on 30th December 2015 in our campus. The PG Department of Mathematics has conducted a one-day state-level conference on recent trends in mathematics on 9th January 2016. Dr. M. Lellis Divakar, Chairperson, Professor and Head, School of Mathematics, Madurai Kamaraj University, and Dr. M. Muthusamy, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Mathematics, Dr. Zagir Sen College, Ilayanbudi were the resource persons. The Department of Microbiology has organized Birds Census Campaign at Kila Selvanur, Mela Selvanur, Kadu Sandi, and Valinokam on 12th February 2016. On 12th February 2016, the Department of Information Technology conducted a one-day state-level seminar on modern innovations in information technology. Dr. N. Balaji, Head Department of Information Technology, KLN College of Engineering, Sivagangai, was the chief guest. The Department of Physics has organized a one-day state-level seminar on recent advancement in material synthesis on 24th February 2016 in our campus. Dr. R. Srinivasan, Associate Professor, Tyagarajar College, Madurai, and Dr. K. Karnagaran, Assistant Professor, Lapa Government Arts College, Karaikudi, were the resource persons. On 25th February 2016, the Department of MSc, CSI and IT has conducted a one-day state-level seminar on Big Data Analytics. Dr. T. Mayappan, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Coordinator, Placement Cell, Alapa University, Karaikudi, was the chief guest. On 29th February 2016, Monday, the Department of Arabic has organized a one-day national-level Arabic seminar on history of the Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him. Students from various colleges have attended and presented papers. Dr. A. S. Tajuddin Manani, MA, MPhil, PhD, Assistant Professor, Department of Arabic, University of Kerala, Trivandrum, was the chief guest. Students' achievements. The students of our college continuously bring laurels to the college by getting more university ranks. I am glad to inform you that the students of MSc, CS and IT, MCOM with computer application, BSc microbiology, BSc electronics and communication and BSc information technology have secured university ranks in the examinations held in April 2015. I congratulate the following rank holders on their outstanding academic distinctions. B. Pavitra, MSc, CS and IT, first rank. M. Mujahida Banu, MCOM with computer application, secured third rank. U. Kirba Devi, BSc microbiology, secured first rank. V. Kavaskar, BSc electronics and communication, secured first rank. B. Bausal Yevin, BSc electronics and communication, secured second rank. J. Madhura, BSc information technology, secured ninth rank. Participation in seminars and symposia workshop by students. On 15th August 2015, S. Syed Wahida of 2nd MSc CS and IT has participated in verse writing competition organized by Trust Madurai. On 19th August 2015, J. Indumadi of 3rd IT, M. Sindhija of 3rd IT, Sabiga Banu of 3rd IT, Muruganandam of 3rd IT, Mohammad Asad Daskin of 3rd IT, Kishore of 2nd IT, Emmanuel of 2nd IT, N. Logeswaran of 2nd IT and Alagu Chairman of 2nd Information Technology participated in Code Challenge competition organized by SIDA Madurai and got participation certificates. On 22nd August 2015, N. Mari Selvi of 1st Information Technology, Arun Kumar of 1st Information Technology and C. Ramar of 1st year Information Technology participated in essay competition in English organized by Vidiyal Kalai Ilakya Mandram, Madurai. On 10th September 2015, M. Kishore of 2nd Information Technology and M. Sadish Kumar of 1st year Information Technology have presented papers in a one-day state level symposium, SAC 2015, organized by VHS NS College, Virudhunagar. On 16th September 2015, S. Karthik, R. Venkatesh, M. Prithviraj, M. Prasad and S. Ajit Kumar of 3rd BPA have presented papers in an international conference on innovative marketing strategies for sustainable growth held at Sankara College of Science and Commerce, Coimbatore. On 28th September 2015, G. Saravana Kumar and N. Deepika of 3rd Microbiology have participated in a one-day orientation program on preparation for competitive examinations and capacity building held at Allahabad University Study Circle, Karaikudi. On 6th January and 7th January 2016, J. Ahmad Altaf Ibrahim and Rahul Aravind of 3rd BCom Computer Application and M. Noor Al-Amin of 2nd BCom CA participated in two-day national level seminar on social exclusion in India towards inclusion and equity held at New College, Chennai. On 20th January 2016, B. Rajesh Kandan, S. Prithviraj, M. Ajit Kumar, Prasad and M. Hamid Yasir of 3rd BBA participated in a training program on a small-scale business setup in ornamental fish farming, apiculture, mushroom and silk production held at Allahabad University Business Collaboration Center, Karaikudi. Activities carried out during this year. Functions of national importance. On 15th August 2015, 69th Independence Day was celebrated. Mr. Nana Sivakumar, Additional Superintendent of Police, Coastal Security Group, Ramanathapuram, was the chief guest. On 26th January 2016, 67th Republic Day was celebrated in our college. Our respectful chairman and correspondent, Al-Haj S.M. Yusuf, hoisted the national flag and presented Republic Day address. Mrs. L. Kamalabai, Tahsildar Kilakare, attended the function as chief guest and delivered a special address. Communication program. On behalf of the English department, a 5-day communication skill program was conducted between 14/12/2015 to 18/12/2015. Dr. R. Surya Prakash Narayanan, Associate Professor of English, Alappa University, Constituent College, Paramakudi, spoke on how to enrich communications